If I'm sitting there telling you exactly where the fuck is coming out at. Good morning, y'all. Good, pretty good.
The officer over here just called me, said the police is trying to get to the other side because they've seen a commercial paint. I don't know what that means, but they're trying to get over to the other side.
Um, Other side of the construction site.
Yeah, they said they're trying to retrieve it. I don't know.
Oh, that must have been what they got pulled in. Well, the guy just took it out the back there. Um,
If the officer just called me and says they talk about the key, I'm like, I don't know.
if you can call them back, just tell them if they can bring it up to the front there or leave it. Well, I wouldn't leave it where it said. If they can bring it up front there, or
Are they trying to take it or are they just trying to?
oh, the guy dragged it off to the site, so I'm sure it's in the back there. Hold on, let me take a look if I can see him back there with it. Yeah, that's a very expensive piece of equipment.
Got you.
Hold on. Yeah, that's what they got. Um, if did they leave a number with you or something?
No, my officer just called me. You want her number?
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, if she could swing around there and just ask. Well, she probably can't pick it up or whatever and stuff, or we may have to have her post up right there. It's probably best that y'all in the back, anyways, man, because ain't nothing going on up front there. Everything is in the back here where no lights and stuff is at. I don't know why they would have y'all would be posted back up front right there and stuff all the time. I would be posted right back here in a nice lit space. I can keep a camera and watch her and watch them what's going on. Yeah, actually she can swing to the back there. And at the corner of Kendall and Ward, they're standing right there. And we'll see if we can get that paint gun secured. That thing has got to be expensive.
So you want her number or you want me to call her?
Oh yeah, I can get her number. What's her number?
313
Mm-hmm.
246 5568. Her name is Tamara Williams.
Miss Williams. All right, got it. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
All right.
All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Hello.
Hi, Miss Williams. How are you?
Good.
All right. Hey, can you pull to the back there at Kendall and Williams where the police are standing and ask them if there's a way we can get it's a commercial paint gun, so it may be heavy. I don't want you to try to lift it us up, but we got to get that back. Ask them if they could, like, I don't know what to do with it.
Yeah, they was trying to see if it was a way for someone to open that gate right there.
Yeah. Let's pull it to the back there real quick, and then matter of fact, if you I don't want to put you I don't want to put you there. Let me see if let me call somebody real quick.
They right here next to me.
Oh, okay. Ask them to give me a call. Give my number and stuff here.
Oh, get a.
Yeah. You can give me my number.
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Um.
Detroit Police Department. Hey, sir, good morning. Them guys are probably not gonna be in until about 5 a.m. I could try to call somebody to see if we can get somebody to open that gate so they can get it back up in there. Is that thing movable or anything like that? Can you guys drag it back to the fence there?
That's what we were trying to say. We were trying to see if we could just open the gate, just push it back, pull it back in.
Yeah. How did the so he didn't cut the lock off the gate, he just cut the gate or something?
I didn't see the gate cut particularly, but I had to assume so. Our side said something like that.
Yeah. Okay. I don't know what to do with it at this point. Is this number, can I call you right back at this number?
Yes, you can.
Okay, let me see if I can get the site manager there. I'll call you right back.
Thank you.
All right. Recovery, baby. Yes, sir. Of course, nobody's answering.